How to remove the main PCB and water valves. Remove the screws from the top back cover. Once open, release the hose cable like shown and remove the cover. Now open the door and release the control panel. Disconnect the communication blue cable and remove the control panel. Remove the screws from the main board housing. Carefully turn it around while removing the housing cover. Disconnect all cables to remove the board. Next, remove the cable connections from the water valves. Screws from the valve assembly. Remove the screws from the detergent drawer housing. Pull out the housing and remove the valves. Remove the black hose from the remaining valve. Top cover and door disassembly. Remove each side. Take the noise filter cover off and remove the connectors. Release the ground screws and remove all cables connecting the chassis to top. Remove screws holding the top to the chassis. Take the hose off the pressure switch. In the front, remove the tabs and remove the screws. Remove the screws from the back cover and remove the cover. Locate the two cable connectors and release the cables. Pull the cables out from the top. Locate the wire clamp and remove it from the housing. Use pliers to help push it. Release the power cord and remove the top. Spin basket disassembly. Remove screws from the top ring. Release clips. Remove top ring. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the cover to access the agitator bolt and remove the bolt. Use a screwdriver to pull up from the center and remove the agitator. Using an impact screw gun, remove the center tub bolt. Note, this is a reverse thread. Pull out the tub. Drain pump drum motor disassembly. Turn the unit onto its side to access the bottom motor compartment. Remove the hose clamps to release the hoses. Use a screwdriver to remove the mounting screws. Remove the cable connections. Remove the bolt to release the rotor. Remove the bolts to release the stator. Disconnect the cable.